The rooms are spacious and very luxurious. The check-in was done in the room, unlike most other resorts. The hospitality in this resort is one of the best I've experienced. They even provide a butler service for packing or unpacking your suitcase. All the toiletries they provide in the room are from Forest Essential. We visited the resort for a special occasion and they surprised us with a complimentary cake and also decorated the room. We can have a cup of coffee while sitting in the patio overlooking the beautiful gardens where peacocks roam around. They even have a pillow menu and we can choose anything from that based on our comfort.